Hello, in this video I will discuss about simulation and how you can solve simulation using RStudio. We consider a particular example on currency valuation. Here we consider the currency value for last 200 days or the past values of currencies, out of which it was neutral for 24 days. The currency appreciate 90 days, and 86 days the currency was depreciates. By neutral currencies, neutral means it is 1x to $1. It is appreciation means 1.3x to $1, and depreciation means it is 0.8x to $1. So one can find out the expected currency valuation, that is probability into currency value, and the expected currency valuation is 1.049. So using this calculation one can expect some currency appreciation in near future. But is the individual's conjecture or the expectation is right expectation or not? How we give answer? To answer his expectation is right or not, with the help of simulation we try to answer this, and now we try to solve this problem with the help of a simulation technique in RStudio. Now basically we first try to find out or calculate the currency value for single day, and that's why we are using here the sample function. So this is the sample function. Arguments is here. One can just write $sample and run this, and you can get the all arguments or help file of the sample function. Is basically includes 4 parameters: x, which is the vector, size, replace, and probability. Now as in our example, let's go back to the example. Here the value of neutral is 1, appreciation is 1.3, and depreciation is 0.8, with probability 0.12, 0.45, and 0.43. We calculate these probabilities by simple classical definition, that is 24 by 200, 90 by 200, and 86 by 200. So we write the sample function like this. Sample first the x vector, that is the values, that is value for neutral 1, 1.3 for appreciation, and 0.8 for depreciation. Here size is equal to 1, that is we are try to estimate the currency value for single day, for one day, and probabilities are, as we calculate, 0.12, 0.45, and 0.43. So if we run this, and the value of currency is 1.3. Now using the same sample function we try to calculate the currency for 30 days, that is for next 1 month. Just change the size equal to 30, that is in the first case the size is equal to 1, now the size is equal to 30, and run. Now we get the currency for 30 days and try to find out the average value or the expected value of currency, that is use the mean currency 2, and the average value is 1.066, that is the currency is appreciates here. So once the individual's expectation is more or less right, but here we only run a single simulation. Now one can try to understand the fact that single simulation or the conclusion using single simulation is not enough. So then our objective is to run the simulation 100 times or 1000 times. So what is the meaning of running simulation 100 times or 1000 times? That is, we are trying to calculate the currency values for next 30 days or next 1 month for 100 times or 1000 times. That's why we first calculate the function to compute the average currency. How we write the function? In R, one can write any function like this form. So the name of the function is here currency, and function is a function within bracket z. What is z? Z is the number of days for which we try to estimate the currency. Within second bracket x, then sample function, and then what is our objective? To find out the average currency value, that is mean. Clear? I repeat once again, this particular function, our objective is to find out the average currency. That's why we use this function comment. Here the name of the function is currency and size is z. We just write the sample function 1 second and mean and close the second bracket. If we run this, this is the function is ready to run. So now we try to calculate the average currency for the next 1 month. So it is 1.07. Once again, this is the single simulation. Now we try to simulate this for 1000 times. That's why we write this n equal to 1000. This is the number of simulation. You can change any time. Next, we try to find out the value after running 1000 times simulation of the expected value of currency. So here we write the function y, replicate n is the number of simulation and the function currency, and run this. And we get the mean value is once again 1.04. So after running 1000 times simulation, it also clear that the currency is appreciating, currency value is appreciating. Now we try to calculate the probability distribution using this function p equal to table y by n, and if we plot this, then we automatically get this is the probability distribution. And if we see the diagram, I zoom it. So this is the probability distribution, and see, most of the currencies high probability is high for the currency appreciation. So one can expect currency appreciation in near future and in next 1 month, or the expectation of currency appreciation for this example is correct. Thank you.